Hello, universe. We thought we would make a new video about the real way to connect your TradingView account with Coinbase. There's been a lot of videos produced about this over a number of years because there's been a lot of interest and demand in this, and you've never been able to actually do this before, but Coinbase just became, or specifically Coinbase Advanced, specifically became a trusted broker of TradingView, and actually just within the last week. And so Coinbase Advanced now supports trading on TradingView's platform for both spot, which are like the underlying derivative or security like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and futures contracts, aka derivatives, and you can execute the trades directly through Coinbase now. So how do you connect your account? It's super simple, as a matter of fact, right? So you scroll down to the trading panel, and it shows up now as one of the trusted brokerages or exchanges. You simply connect, and assuming you're already logged in on the browser or whatever device you're using, you should be able to just easily connect. If, like, say I'm on my Gmail account here, and I'm also logged in with my Coinbase account through this Gmail, and TradingView through this Gmail, you just accept the cookies, provide the authorization, allow access. It's all secure, and boom, you're in. You can pull up the trading panel and buy, sell. It's the weekend right now, so the futures or derivative markets aren't open right now, so you can't do anything with that. But the underlying securities and the futures, you can do it with the futures too, or the derivatives, but only when the futures market is open, obviously. So that's the real way to connect Coinbase to your TradingView. After all this time, it's finally here. Yeah! Wheels up, let's go. Oh, and if you like our content, please like and subscribe. And if not, 0 F's given, right? So, love to y'all. Be well, and let's make some money.